guys, right now it is 7 o'clock and we are about to go and get my stuff from school, or we're about to drive out there. It's about a 3-hour drive. I'm whispering because everybody's kind of asleep except for my parents. So yeah, quick little outfit of the day. I have this t-shirt, it says Black Excellence. It's a little wrinkled, so these biker shorts from my Shein video, and my tennis shoes. And for the purse, I'm just going to be wearing my handy dandy crossbody with the gold in it to match my gold tennis shoes. And I just did a little light makeup. And yes, so let's just go ahead and hit the road. First come in, I have my bed and I have my drawers. I pushed both of the beds together because it was just me by myself. And I have my TV, I have this little rug, a table, and then I put both of the desks together right here. And I have my printer, this extension cord, and I had some photos and stuff on the wall. Then I had my 2 closets. I had a curtain that went and covered up this closet, but I took that home when we went home. And then I have my shoe rack. I had 2 shoe racks. I took one of them home when I went home. So this is just how I had everything set up. I have my trunk where I keep my toiletries. And these are just a few of my clothing items. A lot of the stuff is at home because, you know, coronavirus. But yes, and this was just how my room looked. So guys, that is a wrap on my first year of college. It did not end how I intended it to, but nonetheless, we're done. I'm still blessed, still happy for my safety and everything. I hope all of you all are being safe. This isn't the end of the vlog, of course, but I just wanted to show you all my room real quick. It wasn't the dorm tour that I envisioned it to be, but more or less it was there and you all were able to see my room. So if you are coming to Hampton next year and you're in Twitchell Hall and you're staying in 333, know your girl was here. Let me know in the comment section if you ever stay in room 333 Twitchell Hall. I was in here by myself the whole entire year, and if you don't know how I was able to do that, just look back at some of my Hampton Q&As and you'll figure out why. So yes, it looks so empty. It's like when I first moved in. It was pretty quick to get the stuff out. It took us about an hour. I just gotta take my TV down. But yes, that was the last hoorah. Okay, done with it. So I've been home for about an hour now and I'm packing. So this is what we've done so far. I've just put my winter shoes in here. This is going in our shed. Go ahead, what you doing? Got my winter shoes in the shed. I'm putting my winter clothes in my, well, these are my winter like shirts and stuff. Well, you know, my winter clothes, majority of my winter stuff. And I put it in this vacuum seal bag. I'm about to vacuum it down. In here, this is my like covers and pillows and stuff. That's for my dorm that I don't need here because I have comforters and pillows for here. But I do have my covers and pillows and everything. Look at my dog. Can I see him? He did not want to go for no walk. But yeah, I just went through that. So I'm about to vacuum these 2 bags down. And what else am I about to do? Oh, so I had a a vision board party when I was at school. So I had all these magazines that I just went through and threw the extra ones in the trash, and I kept the ones that were good. So I put those to the side for my next event. And now I'm about to put all my like cleaning supplies, all my school supplies and stuff inside of this trunk. Try to put as many of my electronics like my TV, printer, and all of that stuff inside of my trunk. I'm gonna try. We're gonna see how that goes. A lot of my toiletries and stuff. If my TV and stuff can't fit in there, then my toiletries will go in there. Like as far as like my big cases of soap, my big cases of shampoo, conditioner, because that stuff could last me all next year pretty much. Like I got a lot of it, and I didn't use but like probably half of it, if even that. Because I got like a whole bunch of bars of soap, but then I also had a whole bunch of body washes. So I didn't use a lot of that stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pack that up because we want to like not have to buy as much stuff next year. All my business clothes are going to go inside of the shed. I'm gonna keep them like zipped away and everything, and just put those inside of the shed because I'm not going to need them. So yeah, all of my clothes that I know I'm not going to need during the summertime, I'm just putting in the shed. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, so I don't know if I have enough footage, so I don't want to like end this vlog completely. I'll probably just do my morning workout with you all and then end the vlog from there. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. It's not gonna be nothing too crazy. Y'all just gonna see me do the Chloe ting. Right now I'm doing her 30-day challenge. I did the 2-week one. I'll leave the link to that video up here, or at the end of this video. But I just got the shower. It's 1:34 in the morning, so I'm actually about to read until I fall asleep. So I bought this book, and I'll talk more about like more in depth in a sit down chit chat get ready with me video probably. I don't want to go into too much, but I'm about to just I'm about to start reading more. So yeah, I got this book because I love Issa Rae, and this is her book, The Misadventures of Awkward Black Girls. So it is by Issa Rae. I got this off of Amazon, and it came really quick. So I'm about to start reading this actually, and I'm just gonna read this until I fall asleep, and we'll just wake up in the morning and do our workout, and I will see you all later. Let me cut my air conditioning on. Good morning everyone, it's your girl Deja, and we're about to work out. I usually work out downstairs, sometimes I work up here, but I'm about to work out up here, and it's 12:06. I read this morning, and now it's time to work out, which honestly, if I'm being real with y'all, I've been working out but not like following her. This is my 5th day doing a challenge, but I'm on the 3rd day, if that makes sense. So like I started the challenge Monday. I did it Monday, didn't do it Tuesday, did it Wednesday, didn't do it Thursday, didn't do it Friday. Today is Saturday, so I'm on day 3, if that makes sense. So I think that does. But yeah, I'm about to do day 3, and I'm trying to get more consistent, like as far as following the actual schedule of her workouts. Like, you know, day 3, 4, 5, and stop spreading them out so much. So hopefully I could change that today. So yeah, I finally got a workout mat.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's workout is a 10.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as...
I'm not even gonna talk to y'all like I'm not tired.
Whatever that is. Browser, I just... There are 3.
Jumping jacks backwards, but one jump into the air like a starfish.
So guys, I just showered and ate and everything like that. I'm about to go to work, but I hope you all enjoyed this vlog of me moving out of school and then just coming home and doing my Chloe Ting workout. I'm not sure what I'm gonna actually call this vlog. Probably a mixture of me going to school and like a dorm tour, quick little dorm tour. So I don't know, I'll figure it out. You'll see by the title of this video, but I just wanted to do a quick little vlog, you know, get a video out there for you all. And I know some people wanted to see my dorm, especially after seeing my dorm tour series and everything like that. But yeah, so that's my life, and I'll probably do some more vlogs this upcoming weekend because I'm supposed to be going out of town. So I'll probably be doing another vlog this weekend. Let me know if you all like vlogs and everything like that. My life is pretty simple. I work out, go to work, 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 make YouTube videos. So that's how my life has been since quarantine. So yes, I wear my waist trainer to work. So, you know, it's not true, whatever. I'm gonna see y'all on either Monday or Wednesday. Okay, so my uploading schedule is Mondays and Wednesdays. So I don't know if I'm gonna make this video Monday's video because I was supposed to be recording a video tomorrow, the new transformation video. So the transformation video is either already out before this or it's coming after this. I think I'll probably do this one for Monday and my transformation video for Wednesday, switch it up a little bit. Not quite sure yet, we shall see. So if you're watching this on Monday, if I upload this on Monday, see you on Wednesday. And if I upload this on Wednesday, see you all Monday.